Hey, welcome, Cooper's Automotive. Come along with me on this Acura here, 2013, and the AC's the complaint not working. So let's get started and diagnose it, find out what we need to fix. Stay tuned. Just as a beginning starting point, we have hooked up the AC gauges, and you can see our static pressure there. So we're going back to the car. We'll back out here. And let's start it up and see if I can hear a compressor run. Turn it on. Now we're on inside this vehicle. So let's come out here to our fuse box. I don't hear a compressor click in either. Find out which one's our AC compressor relay. Kind of doubt it. But it could be. Let's get a little test light or whatever you got. Power probe hooked up here. Let's find our AC relay. 1, 2, 3. Looks like the fourth one down on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there. Let's remove that relay. Or attempt to remove that relay. These things don't grab very good. Let's test some power. We got 12 volts. 12 volts there. And we got ground there. See if I can feel the relay activate at all. Now the compressor just kicked in. And all I've done was remove the relay on this circuit right here. That's all I did. So let's leave it run here for a little bit. I'm going to show you my pressures now. Try not to get too jumping around here too much with you, but yeah, we got about 30 on the low side, about 175 on our head pressure high side, but we're still not cooling in the car. We may have two problems here. Get about 25 on our low side actually there, 175. We're about 92 degrees here today. So my first thoughts right now, a bad relay, which we'll continue to test there. And so I'm going to stop the video, evacuate, recharge it, weigh this back into capacity because I never guess it charges, and then come back and see what we got on cooling. Okay, we have now a completely charged system. We still have 175 on our head pressure. Running and just started this vehicle, and we got about 47 on our suction side. I still have to take a little bit of Freon out of it because to finish the continuation of this. Our evac hose here, start evac our hoses. Wants me to disconnect the low side, then we'll reconnect and see what we got. You can see that low side's coming down. Doors are open right now because So we got exterior heat, so expect that low side pressures to be a little bit on the higher side. This will take just a minute. Disconnect our low side, it'll clear out, and we'll do that. So I'm going to let it clear out, do that, leave it running, roll my windows up, and tune back in a minute. Now the car's been running for a while. I actually still don't, yeah, I do have my windows up, and you can see my pressures now are perfect for Florida and our climate and our humidity. So there you've got 30 on your low side, and you've got almost 200. Things have kind of balanced out. So we leave dye in the system, see if we can find a leak on it, and call this a fix. So things are doing well on the old car. So that's your 2013 Acura ILX 2-liter engine. AC compressor would not engage. Bad relay. Freon level low. Other thing I wanted to mention, like I said, you're going to have two powers in there. You're going to have your side on the relay for your actual unit you're controlling, the compressor, and your command ground coming from your computer out to your relay. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If I talk too much, that's just me. And subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. Do it now. We'll see you soon.